In running news, the 14th annual Accountability 5K Run Walk takes place on June 27th at the Chamorro Village. Showtime for the run is at 5 in the morning, with the go time scheduled for 6. Registration forms are available at aga.guam.net, or you can also register at the Isagana and the Micronesia Mall Shell gas stations. Dry Fit t-shirts will be given out to the first 500 finishers. There will also be refreshments and raffle prizes after the 5K. The Guam Badminton Federation is seeking junior badminton players to try out for the junior national team. The traveling team will be participating in the 2015 Oceania Championships in New Zealand. For more information on tryout schedules and other information regarding the team, email the Guam National Badminton Federation at lagusefan@yahoo.com. That's LAGUSEFAN@yahoo.com. Turning over to some bowling news, Gregory Borja claimed his first Budweiser King of the Lanes title of the year with a 199-159 win over 5th seed Ricky Duenas. Borja used a steady combination of clearing the deck, while 2nd seed Ricky Duenas missed several split and spare attempts that all but sealed his fate. Jason Pangilinan defeated Kathy Mandapat for the Budweiser Prince of the Lanes title, 164 plus 36 handicap to 167 plus 21. Mandapat took an early lead on Pangilinan as the top seed opened on the first frame. However, 3 missed splits on the mid-frames allowed Pangilinan to inch back and go on to take the win. Turning over to national news, golfer Jordan Spieth won this year's U.S. Open, beating out Dustin Johnson. Spieth becomes the 6th player to win the Masters and U.S. Open in the same year. First player to win Masters and U.S. Open in the same year since 2002 when Tiger Woods did it. He is the youngest player at 21 years, 10 months to win the U.S. Open since Bobby Jones back in 1923. He is also the 3rd player to win the U.S. Junior Amateur and U.S. Open since Johnny Miller and Tiger Woods.